channel. Thank you guys so much for all your support, and I love your guys' comments. And if you're new to my channel, because I kind of sort of have new supporters or new cousins in my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is JahDeBeaute. I film whatever, I film reviews, hauls, anything you can think of. Right now, my channel does not consist of anything specific. I do film beauty related videos, but after right now, I can't do that. I know you guys have been asking for that. So until then, I'm just going to do unboxing, try to do vlogs, but like I said, my current situation, this phone is my only sort of vlogging thing, and I think my cord is shot, so maybe I need to buy a new cord. I'm gonna try to ask the husband if we can go get a new cord or something, maybe to plug it in, but cords are really expensive and I don't work, so I'll think of something. But for now, I'm gonna try vlogging my camera, but it's really huge. Anyway, so also, if you did not know, I'm a mama. I am pregnant, and I'm in my 3rd trimester. I have 1 more month to go. It's kind of crazy. 1 more month to go, and I'm slowly trying to get stuff, and I will show you currently where I'm at right now is currently the baby room or the nursery. I will show you once I get everything settled, once I actually get like stuff in. The only thing is I have the bed which I'm sitting on. If you did not watch my current video, I'll link it at the end of the video, and the link down below. Baby haul videos or probably will be in my playlist. I do have certain things already. So yeah, so I'm in my last trimester. I'm 31 weeks. I have 1 more month to go, which is kind of crazy. I'm kind of due like between next month and beginning of May, or the end of April, the beginning of May. So it depends on when she comes. We'll see. So many of you asked me if you guys want to send me stuff, and like I said, I have two baby registry lists linked down below. One is for playlists and one is for Amazon, because those are the only two I trust. And I think it's really great and it's amazing. Also, if many of you asked me how I got that free box, Babylist has their box right now that's for March. Everything that I got is completely the same. Nothing is different. So if you are expecting and you want a free box and free stuff, go to the link down below, apply for baby registry, and all you gotta do is just apply, put a bunch of stuff on your registry, and once that's settled, baby list will basically send you a box automatically. They do have their March box out, and I watched the video. It's the same thing what you get in the February box. There's some stuff that are a little bit different, but mostly everything is the same. So that's what you get. Also have a baby registers for Amazon. I don't trust their box just yet. I know their box is free. I have to check it if you have to actually pay for shipping. I'm not really sure. So I haven't actually tested it out yet. I'm not really sure about Amazon stuff. Some tell me it's free, some tell me let's pay for shipping, so I don't really know. But I do have both registries down below, and also have a PayPal me link down below if you guys want to donate just to support this channel, or donate just for the baby. I mean, by all means, I don't care. It's down below. I'm not a person who begs. You know, I'm not a person who expects something. If you want to, by all means, go for it. Alright, so before I go long, let's get on with the video. So today's video is basically a review of this selfie stick. It's called the Burning Youth Life Memories, I believe. I'm not sure what's it from, but I actually can tell you. It's called an all-day selfie stick, and it kind of looks like this, and it's rose gold, and they do have different colors. But it's a really cool selfie stick, so I'm going to show you. So it comes in this small little box, and then also it comes in the box, it comes in this little pouch, so you can actually take it around wherever you go, and it's very portable. So when you open it, the first thing it comes with this what do you call this, handle thing where you can like latch it to your arm just in case if you don't want to lose it. And then it also comes with a small little USB port thing where you can actually charge your your selfie stick, which is really awesome. So it's a chargeable one, and it does come with the instructions, which is pretty small, of how you do it, and it tells you about Bluetooth. So what it is basically you can access to Bluetooth, and with the Bluetooth you can press the lighting and you can press the button. I love this. I've been testing it out really well. It's actually pretty good for like selfie if you're like to vlog on your phone. And currently I don't actually use it anymore because my phone is currently unstable. I can't use it to work, but I do use it for taking pictures but not vlogging. So it folds out like this, and basically you just pop it up this way, and then you have a cord right here, and what the cord is for the light, because if you can't see right here, you have an actual light, and basically you can have different, I think it has 3 different settings: medium, or let's see, low, medium, and then super bright. And it basically, like, if you are in a dark sort of area, you want to take a selfie, you can totally do that. Also, if you want to use it to vlog, it's perfectly good for vlogging. Also, the camera, so your camera goes like this, and it sticks out. And also, they do have a mirror in the back, so also you can actually see yourself right here, and you can see yourself, and you can actually make sure that you're focused, and you can actually see yourself. Like I said. So it extends pretty far. Extends about this, let's see, this far, as you can see. And I'm going to show you. It is by this company, Mocreo. I got this from Amazon. It's pretty cool. And I like it. And basically this is the charging port where you can charge it right here, and actually blink red when it needs to charge, and then or let you know when it needs to charge. And then when you turn it on, it'll like flash blue light and let you know it's on. And then they on the paper that I showed you, they do have an access Bluetooth, so it kind of goes by Bluetooth. So you plug it in, you just connect to the Bluetooth. It's like it tells you on the paper what it is. You connect it, and then you can access the selfie button and the light button, which is really amazing. And it's really good for selfie. The lighting is really amazing, and you can actually turn the light this way. So all you have to do is do this, plug in your phone, or plug it in plug it in like this, and then you can access it and take selfies. Like I said, it's really amazing. It has its own lighting. If you don't want to like purchase a ring light, and I know ring lights are really expensive, but this has a light. It works amazingly awesome. Like I said, you can use this for a selfie, which sometimes I use. But I said I don't really go out of the house much, so I can use this for selfies. We used it at a party when we took pictures. It works perfectly great if you are like really far away, you want a really good angle shot. This has really worked really well. That's my opinion, and it's really portable and compact, and you can just stick it back in the little pouchy thing or pouch and take it to go, and it's super simple. My review is I recommend it if you like selfie sticks and you need a ring light. It comes with the ring, or it comes with the light. It's really amazing. That's my opinion. I think I'll put the link down below where you can get it on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. They have different ones, but I like this one not because it was rose gold, because I guess there was a gold one, but I picked rose gold because my phone is rose gold, or it's gold, and I like gold, and I guess rose gold is kind of similar to gold. They don't really have a gold, so I got that. But that's my review on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then if you guys want to try vlogging your phone and looking for a selfie stick that actually can help you vlog, I recommend you get this. It is super amazing, super affordable. It's like 15 bucks. And there's other ones, but I have this. It's really awesome. Just for a selfie stick. If you're going for a tripod, then I don't really know. I haven't really have a tripod, except I kind of need one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So hallelujah for watching, and remember to click the subscribe button so you can join the cousin Ohana, because you guys are my family, and like I said, I don't consider each and any one of you as no one. You're not left out. Many of you asked me that you guys feel jealous because of the squad thing. Don't be jealous. I love each and every one of you the same equally. And I love all my cousin Ohanas because cousins, no matter what, you guys are my family, and I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for all the support and comments down below, for understanding what I go through. It is really hard. And yeah, so thank you so much. Mahalo nui noa, aloha oi. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you are notified. And if you want to talk to me and ask me how I'm doing, just follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You can message me. I guess there's like, yeah, that's pretty much it. Or if you want, like, message me on YouTube, or there is my email. You can probably message me too. But please don't message me. Hate comments. But anyways, mahalo nui noa, aloha oi. I'll catch you on the next wave. I love you to the ocean and back. Shoots, Cousin Ohana. We out. Boop.